7 Hiligaynon idioms that will help you speak more fluent in Hiligaynon language. Idioms are little treasures that reveal the unique culture and mindset of the language. They add flair and depth to our conversation, and in Hiligaynon, there's no exception. In today's tutorial, we'll be exploring some fascinating idiomatic expressions in Hiligaynon, from everyday phrases to colorful metaphors. Get ready to enrich your vocabulary and understand the intricacies of this beautiful language. So quick facts taanay before kita mag-delve into the Hiligaynon idiomatic expression. Aside from Kinaraya and Akyanon, which is the major spoken language of the island of Panay, we also have Hiligaynon. It is the spoken and written language of the people of Iloilo, Negrense, Capisnon, Guimaras, and in southern Cotabato. Again, it is not called as Ilonggo, which is the common misconception. Although, today, it can be used interchangeably, but when it comes to technicality and correct usage of the language, it should be Hiligaynon. Why? This is to foster a sense of identity of each community in the region. Right, so I'll give you 3 statements. Why is it important that we need to foster our identity? So let's use critical thinking. Number 1 statement, I am Capisnon and I speak Ilonggo. Number 2, I am Ilonggo and I speak Kinaraya. Number 3, I am in Negrense and I speak Ilonggo. Or I am in Negrense and I speak Hiligaynon. Those are actually a simple statement. But when you use critical thinking, there is technically wrong and there is technically right. So think of it. Why is it technically incorrect? And let me know your thoughts in the comment section or your opinion about it so that we can have a conversation. Alright, so back to our tutorial about Hiligaynon idiomatic expressions. Whether you're a language enthusiast, a traveler, or simply curious about different cultures, this tutorial is for you. So grab your notebook, buckle up, and let's embark on a journey through the rich tapestry of Hiligaynon idiomatic expressions. Alright, so let's get started. 1. Istorya kuris-kuris. This idiom is used to describe a nonsensical statement. For example, si Eduardo ga istorya kores-kores naman. Abi ko anay matuod na. Ay sus, istorya kores-kores man lang galit. In English, Eduardo is saying nonsense. I thought it was soup, but no, it's nonsense. Number 2, kulas dayaw. Used to describe a boastful person. If you use it in Hiligaynon sentence, ang amon ni bilang alinders amon grupo daw si kulas dayaw. Number 3, gaipot bulawan. It's used to describe someone who has an ample wealth.
Gaipot is to poof, bulawan is gold. To poof, gold.
For example,
Ano pa matsyag mo sa akon, giipot bulawan? Ay, tawhay lang ang life mo ba? Pagbangon da kag mag-obra.
Number 4, gatuad-tuad pangita warta. It's used to describe a situation where one struggle to make ends meet. For example, if you're going to use it in a Hiligaynon conversation.
Ang amay mo gatuwad-tuwad pangita warta para mapaeskwela ka lang. Pero kagagagid ya si mo, nagpabusong ka imo yang nga 4th year high school ka pa lang.
Number 5, basa baba. Used to describe someone with tough tactless or insensitive manner. For example, ang duwabla ka vlogger nga sikat, kamangablas. Ba.
Number 6,
Abot ka na ni Rocket is used to describe a situation that the person already know your intentions or motives. So if you're going to use it in Hiligaynon,
damo ka pa istorya dira. Abot ka na ni Rocket.
and number 7, nagalibod lawayan. To gossip, for example, ang mga marites sa amon barangay, aga pa nagalibod lawayan. Alright, so mga ka-wonder, quick pause lang. We Filipinos love to drink coffee, and it's been deeply embedded in our culture. In choosing a coffee nowadays, we choose the healthy alternative. That is why I introduce to you Luterna Supreme Coffee Blend.
Ari na ang kape nga all-in-one. Kape nga sugar-free, kag cholesterol-free. Kape nga acid-free. Bugtaw na kita sa luterna, bugtaw na supremo sa...
Why you should drink this coffee? Because of these benefits. Number 1, it lowers blood sugar level. It contains stevia, meaning there's no sugar. It doesn't add calories and affect your blood sugar or insulin levels. Number 2, memory enhancers, and it's also rich in powerful antioxidant. It helps burn fats, and it has high-grade coffee beans. It promotes a healthy immune system and helps maintain your healthy skin and contains essential nutrients. So mga ka-wonder, grab it now at Kalusugan Yan Facebook page and also available at Shopee, Lazada, and in your local pharmacies. Gani, mag-Luther na Supreme Coffee Blend na kita. Supremo sa lasa, Supremo sa sustansya. Before we end this video, we have a Hiligaynon word of the day. Nasalampukan. Nasalampukan siya sang iya postiso sang pangakanta siya sang life ain't easy.
That this life is easy.
Nasalampukan. Okay, so, alright, so mga ka-wonder, that wraps up our exploration of Hiligaynon Idiomatic Expressions. I hope you enjoyed discovering the vibrant and colorful world of language through these unique phrases. Remember, learning idioms isn't just about memorizing words. It's about understanding the culture, the mindset behind them. So, keep practicing, keep exploring, keep embracing the beauty of language diversity. So, if you found this tutorial helpful or entertaining, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on Hiligaynon language and culture. Your support really means the world to me. Until next time mga ka-wonder, ininyong alagan si Patrick Macabal, your wandering Negrense.